Valentino, Tamavino, Nana, Nana. Ah, Bunda. My feet hurt. Okay, August is almost there, okay? August and then September. Can't wait. I love it. Rebola, bola, herbola, herbola, bola. What song? Boom, 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 boom. Oh, let's celebrate. 11 out of 10. Thank you. Yari yari. What the fuck is yari yari? How do you call these moves? Moves? I don't know. I just dance. You know? It's a dance move. Dancer. Because I'm a dancer. Sorry, love. I have a girlfriend now, so I can't watch you as I did before. But I still love you. That is insane. It's okay. You're still what? 19, right? Maybe. Okay, if. As a. I have a little brother too. He's 17 or 18, I forgot. I told him, look, I already passed that. Don't date this girl as serious thinking that you're gonna marry her. You won't. Okay? If you wanna fuck her, if you wanna kiss her, just don't get her fucking pregnant. I swear to fucking God, I'll beat your ass. I told my brother that. And he's like, yeah, I won't, don't worry. But doesn't mean you have to be exclusive with her, because you're still teenager. So it's fine if you sing all the girls. If she's mad, don't fucking look. I'm not trying to make my little brother to be an asshole, but like, that's not a serious age for you to have a relationship. All right, trust me. This generation is different. So just play around, you know. I think he listened to me. Because also I don't want him to like stress, get hurt because, oh my gosh, he hurt me, I hurt her. Who gives a shit, okay? Or just be single and mingling, you know? If